Hello friends, I have created 7 unique gifts for the 7 days of Valentine's week. Each gift consists of a box containing cute surprises, most of which are fun games you can play with your Valentine. Rose Day. This box contains a jigsaw puzzle and a little heart-shaped card. Ask your Valentine to arrange the puzzle pieces to form a meaningful image. You already know that the final image would have a boy and a girl, with the boy holding a rose. But your Valentine doesn't know this. Watch them scratch their head trying to figure out the jigsaw puzzle. Give them hints if you want, or just enjoy their struggle. I'm sure both of you would have a good laugh while working on it. Propose Day. This box contains a maze with a boy at one end and a girl at another. Ask your Valentine to take the boy through the maze and make him reach the girl. Now the boy can propose. If you secretly want your Valentine to propose to you, this might be a good way to give him a hint. You can even keep a ring inside the box to make it more obvious. I've used the cutout of the boy left over from the Rose Day design to hold the ring, but it is up to you how you want to keep it. Chocolate Day. This box contains a little card and the card front has a lot of alphabets. Ask your Valentine to open the card. They will see a question inside. What makes my heart melt? The answer obviously is, you make my heart melt. Once they answer correctly, close the card and ask them to find the above sentence on the card front. A word can be spelled left to right, top to bottom, or diagonally. Teddy Day. This box contains a lovely card with a cute teddy bear holding a heart. The card front has a question. My heart glows because of what? There is one spot on the card which, when pressed, causes light to start glowing inside the heart. Ask your Valentine to find that spot. Watch them smile when they find it. For your info, the spot is under one of the balloons under the text You. So basically, this answers the question on the card front because you are essentially telling your Valentine, my heart glows because of you. Promise Day. This box contains 7 little envelopes, each containing a little postcard on which you can write whatever you want to promise your partner. You can keep the promises as a souvenir of your love. I'm sure these letters will bring a smile on your faces whenever you see them. Hug Day. This box contains a very fun and exciting spin the wheel game and a cute little card where 2 pieces of a heart are hugging each other. There are various questions on the different parts of the wheel. For example, favorite food, favorite holiday, etc. There is also a fixed arrow that points to an area of the wheel. Ask your partner to spin the wheel. When it stops, he needs to answer the question the arrow is pointing to. For example, if the arrow is pointing to favorite food, your partner has to guess your favorite food. For every correct answer, he gets a hug. Kiss Day. This box contains a little lip-shaped card and a fun game. Ask your partner to open 2 flaps together. If both the flaps contain the same word, he scores 1 point. Repeat this thrice. If he scores 3 points, he gets 5 kisses. If he scores 2 points, he gets 3 kisses. And if he scores only 1 point, he gets only 1 kiss. So, the more the merrier. And if you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way. Press the bell icon to get notified of new videos immediately. Happy memo crafting!